Are you looking for a safer automobile before the year ends?
The Insurance Institute for Highway Safety releasing its last set of results of vehicles to make the cut as Top Safety Pick or Top Safety Pick Plus winners. There are 19 in all in this grouping. Mazda Motors scored extremely well in this round, with 8 different Mazda models winning awards in this set of tests. A couple of EVs as well as plug-in hybrids also made the list, including the Rivian R1S SUV, and Ford's Mustang Mach-E also scored a big win. Toyota's Tundra pickup also made the list for a Top Safety Pick Plus award because it improved its performance in the small overlap front crash test. It also came with improved headlights.
So you might be asking, how does an automobile qualify for a Top Safety Pick Plus award?
Pretty good. Let me double check it again real quick.
Vehicles need good ratings in the small overlap as well as side impact crash test. An acceptable or good rating in the moderate overlap front crash test is critical. That test also looks at the quality of protection of the backseat passengers. Additionally, an acceptable or good rating is required for pedestrian front crash prevention, and all trims in every vehicle must come with acceptable or good rated headlights. The complete list of winners is available online.
If you're waiting till next year to buy, the Institute is already conducting tests for its next round of Top Safety Pick Awards to be released in March, but this time it's going to be using an even tighter set of standards for its award criteria. Working for you, I'm the consumer guy, Steve Sprasian.